Math students, this is the video that goes with the last page in the packet. It's called Equations Practice up at the top. In class, we did 1 and 6. So today for this video, I'm going to do 2 first, and you'll notice I'm doing it on the Jamboard. I'm doing it on the Jamboard so that it will stay in the Google Classroom. So if you need to see this example again and you don't want to rewatch the video, it will be on the October 13th Jamboard assignment, and it will stay up, and you can look at it as much or as little as you need to. Okay, let's begin. So doing number 2, always, always, always start with a line down the equal sign, separating the left from the right. Step 2, box up your variables. Now, just like we talked about in class, you're going to look at your variables. Do you have one on the left and one on the right, or are both on the same side? In this particular case, both the boxes or both the variables are on the right. That means that this is a combined like terms problem, which means you're going to do what it says. So let's look at those coefficients. It's -2 minus 7. -2 minus 7 is the calculation you are doing to combine the like terms. -2 minus 7 is -9. Bring down the x because that's what we're combining, and then bring down everything we haven't dealt with yet. Okay. Once again, we box up the variables so we know where we're working on. We are working on the right-hand side, which means we're going to do what's on the outside. On the outside is a +6, so we're going to do a -6 to both sides to zero out those 6's. Okay, it cancels out on the right-hand side. What's left is a -9x, and then we have to do -75 minus 6, which is -81. Box up your x, and you'll notice the only thing left is the -9 inside the box, which means we divide both sides by -9. -81 divided by -9 is +9 equals x. And that is example number 2. Okay, moving on, I'm going to do number 7 from that page. So once again, always, always, first step, draw a line down the equal sign. Again, here's the left side, here's the right side, box up the variables. And now you notice you got one here on the left side and one here on the right side. So this is not combined like terms. Here we have to move the variable. That means we pick one of these and we move it over. The way you do it over is to do the opposite. Most of you guys like it when I move the right one, so that's what I'm going to do. So to move this 7x, it's a +7. The opposite of positive is negative. I'm going to do -7x on both sides. That way I can cross this one off. So here we have a calculation to do. This is -7 minus 7. This is what you would type in the calculator. -7 minus 7 is -14x. Bring down everything we haven't dealt with. I'm going to bring down the -6, the equal sign, and the 92. Box up my x. This -6 is outside the box, so I'm going to do the opposite, +6. Bring down everything I haven't dealt with, which is the -14x. Here we have an addition problem of 92 plus 6. That is 98. Okay, so last thing here. You'll notice I still have this -14 to deal with. It is inside the box, so we divide. Divide both sides by -14. So I can cross it off on this side. All right, so then in the calculator, you would put 98 divided by -14, and you would get -7. Okay, so these are two more examples. to help you get the paper done. So between class and this video, you now have 1, 2, 6, and 7. I'm going to leave all 4 of these problems. I'll show you. There's 2, there's 6, and there's 1. So all 4 examples will be on this video, and they're going to be on the October 13th Jamboard, so you can go back and reference them if you don't want to rewatch the video. Come to Wednesday office hours, or come see me if you have any problems. Bye, guys.